Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install any app on Play Store without Apple ID. Let's start video without wasting time. Type on get, type on install. You as can see asking the passcode. So how to fix it? Let's start. Go back your home screen and first of all open this settings and type on Apple ID. Scroll down, type on media and purchase, type on passcode setting and this toggle turn off and type on done and go back and scroll down and type on screen time. Scroll down, type on content and privacy restriction and this toggle turn on and type on iTunes and App Store purchase and select this I don't require and go back and make sure turn off this toggle and go back here App Store and scroll down, tap on again get, as can see, type on install. You as can see install this app. If the video is helpful then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.